much for Boom Boom 101. So we get the delay. On the very last word. Help me out. 7 years later, she married a trucker. The story never changes. Like Tommy and Tina living on a prayer. Ladies and gentlemen, for the first time ever attempted at the Oklahoma City Zoo, this is your musically enhanced Bowling for Soup photograph opportunity!